Here's how to add HTML code to a Canva website in just 2 minutes. Today I'm going to show you in this step-by-step guide how you can add HTML embed code to your Canva website so your page can display forms, widgets, or tracking tools without confusion. If Canva feels simple but limited, this will show you exactly what does work and what Canva currently supports. Start by opening Canva and loading the website design you want to edit. Make sure you're in the editor view. On the left panel, click Apps, then scroll until you find Embed. This is the only way Canva accepts HTML-style content, and it works specifically with embed or iframe-based code. Next, copy the embed code you want to use, such as a form, calendar, map, or analytics widget. Paste the code into the embed box and confirm. Canva will convert it into an embedded element on your page. You can move it, resize it, and position it just like any other design block. If it appears blank at first, wait a moment. Some embeds need time to load. After placing the embed, adjust spacing so it fits cleanly with your layout. Make sure it doesn't overlap text or images. Canva does not support full custom HTML or JavaScript, so only embed-based code will work. Even so, its embed fixture lets you add powerful tools in just a few minutes without leaving the platform. Once published, your embedded content will work automatically on the live site.